Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy man. I'm back again for another YouTube video. So it is currently, actually, let me put this bag. Okay, cool. So it is currently Sunday, November 16th, 2025, 7:15 p.m. I'm just gonna give you the chart. What I think the market is going to do this week. I don't know what the market is going to do, but my analysis for the week, and we're gonna see what happens, what plays out. So my number one pair for the week is GBUSD. Weekly, we closed at this structure point at a break below last 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, we had a push to the downside, retest to this structure point, close up here. Last week, not much movement, but it did make a bullish doji at the weekly structure point. So this doji is actually really good because this week we can expect like an evening star pattern to push the downside, but this would have been better if it was red. If it had closed bearish, then I'd be like, okay, cool, set. But I still like the way this one presents itself. So I like the push right now. Daily, I like the price action, right? Had a deeper retracement than expected. Obviously, we took this trade last week. Unfortunately, we didn't win that trade. Is what it is, right? For my trading plan, did everything I was supposed to do. But we had a deeper retracement, which is fine because now coming to this week, I'm literally looking to sell again. Now, why did I draw this line? This is a 1 hour support and resistance zone. So what I'm looking to do, as you can tell, price always consolidates a lot here. So what I'm looking to do is for price to break below this zone, retest it and continue to the downside. Once that happens, it's going to be a shift of structure on the 1 hour because it is currently bullish right here. Then also shift of structure on the 4 hour. Actually, no, not on the 4 hour. 4 hour needs to break below here. But shift of structure on the 1 hour is what all I need. Once we get that, yeah, just sell to the downside. Literally the same trade I told last week. We're gonna take the same trade, just better entry, better risk to reward, and most likely, better price action to be honest. But yeah, so that's the trade. Break, retest, continue to downside. NZDSD, I just drew up this zone. If you guys watched my previous video, you would notice that normally this zone wouldn't be here because I was like just saw this one and this one, but after doing careful analysis, I noticed that this was a strong zone as well. That price has a lot of consolidation, a lot of rejections from this zone. So I was like, okay, it's worth me putting it on here just to be careful, just to be safe. So price is at this structure zone. I like the price action. I like the trend. Lower, drop, pullback, drop, pullback, drop, pullback, drop. So what I'm expecting this week, literally the same thing, waiting for the sell and opportunity to sell to the downside. I like the 4 hour structure point. Price breaks below here, there's bearish and goes to the downside, but on the 1 hour, if price, well, technically breaks below here, it will be bearish, but I like the push that's happening right now. So coming to the market tomorrow, I would just be expecting like a push off from this zone. So a little push off, retest and continue to the downside. And this trade could be ready either tomorrow, Monday, or Tuesday. So yeah, just gotta be patient with that. USD CAD is my third pair for the week. I'm looking to buy. Price is at the structure point on the weekly. I like the price action, broke above. Price is at the structure point right here on the daily. It makes somewhat of like an evening star pattern, but not really the best. I don't really like it. I mean, head and shoulders pattern, but I don't really like it too much. But price did pull out to the structure point, give the push last week. So this week, price candlestick already opened up. All I can expect is really had the retracement I was looking for. But I would most likely need a deeper retracement to this structure point again, and then take the buys to the upside and then hold it to this structure point. So clean trade so far from what I can see. And then USD is my fourth pair for the week. Now this one is a little tricky because price normally, if price is above the structure point, I'll be looking to buy. But I drew this line right here. Why did I draw this line? This line is a strong level of support and resistance on the daily. As you can tell, price always has a lot of rejection from this zone. So I gotta be careful because I have this zone lined up, but I also have this zone. But why did I do a break below retest? If you go on a 4 hour, if price breaks below this structure point on a 4 hour, it shifts structure to the downside, which means now it is bearish. If price is not bearish, I'm looking to sell. So it's gonna line up. If now price shifts below this structure point, it's just bearish. So now the daily is bearish, the weekly is bearish, the weekly is bearish, the daily is bearish, and the 4 hour is bearish. Like the time frames are lined up, it's time for me to look for a sell. But if not, I'll just wait to see what the candlestick does tomorrow, and from that point on, we'll be looking to buy. If you guys do spot the chart though, we are making an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Let me show you. So actually, better if I just show you like this. Break below, making the right shoulder. Now that's inverted, right? Let's go to the regular chart. So obviously we had the left shoulder right here, we made it, the head, now we broke above, now we're making a right shoulder. So that's why I could anticipate on Monday's candlestick to have the pullback here. And then Tuesday we can expect the buy to the upside, or if Monday's candlestick breaks below, then I can expect a retest and continue to the downside. And then USD don't really care about it. AUD don't really care. USD CHF, I don't even need to say anything about this one. I don't really care. So overall, 4 trades lining up for the week. All I need to do is catch one of them. That's it. So I'll update you guys tomorrow morning if I do take a trade or not, on just what the market does. So yeah. All right, yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again. This next part of the video. It's currently Monday, November 17th, 2025. So let's break down the charts and see what's popping. I honestly don't really know what's going on. Whoa! Okay, so, okay, that's fine. So GBPUSD, obviously last night price was pushing down here. I was looking for the break below, retest, continue to the upside. Price did close down here. Obviously, strong rejection from the structure point. Looks like price wants to push above. Honestly, not looking to take a trade. What does my trading plan say? It says, no clear story or picture means no trade. So guess what? I'm not taking a trade on this one because I can't tell. Right now, like, I'm looking for the break below, retest, and continue to the downside. But as of right now, price looks like it doesn't want to do that it wants to break above. So I'm just going to be patient and just watch this chart. No need to force a trade. NZD, USD, I'm looking to sell on here as well. I like the price action on the 4 hour. All I would need is a break below here. Let's see, is there a shift on the 1 hour? No, almost though. And let's see. Okay, you know what? I actually like this one. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Let me not say a lot. But I like that. Okay, cool. This one alarm. Whoa. Delete that. Whoa. Delete. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man. All right, cool. So why am I looking to sell on this? If you go on the daily, we're at the strong support level. Most likely this trade won't happen today. It'll probably happen tomorrow because today might close out like a daily doji. Yeah, and then tomorrow's news they get open and fall. But 4 hour, I like the price action. We are still technically bullish, but if you guys can see this trend line right here, which I'm actually just noticing as I'm recording this. Yeah, there's a nice trend line right here. So I'm expecting the break below the trend line, continue to the downside. But here's the thing, we can catch this trade early on, which is low-key a risky move. But if you're confident in the setup, then it's fine. Which I am confident in the setup. So if you go to 1 hour, we have not shifted bearish yet, but we are right there. And price shifted bearish on the 30 minute. No, it's still bullish on 30 minute. Okay, cool. And 50 minute, yeah, 50 minute is shifted bearish. So what I can expect is a pullback to this order block right here, which I actually really like. Give me an evening star pattern. Give me a nice push. Once we get that, then I can take a trade like this. Let's do 15 pips because what does my trading plan say? I didn't put in USD, but it would be 15 pips or more. So let's do. Let's go on the 1 hour. I actually don't really like this too much. Let's do 24 pips. That's fine. Something like that, and we are holding it to this structure point. What's the risk reward? That's a 1 to 2.7. That's a good trade. Yeah, I'm okay with this trade. So, yeah, if I get this set up, I'll update you guys and we'll take the trade. So right now, I'm gonna put that there. USD CAD, I was looking to buy, which I still am looking to buy. Let's see what's happening. So weekly open up did have the wick to the bottom. Not as deep as I would like it to be, but that's fine. 4 hour bullish, 1 hour. Okay, bullish, bearish, bullish right now. So I like that. Okay, price technically already made this order back right here. Already pulled back to it. And now it's having to push from it. So based on what this candlestick does, we'll see if I take this trade. this trade is ready. But the thing is, there is news happening right now with the CADs. So I don't know what CAD is going to do. So this is like a real risky trade. Am I comfortable taking this risk? Probably not, but we'll see. So put that, move that there. Euro USD. This one is tricky. So initially I'm looking for the break below retest and continue to the downside. Obviously price is still just above this structure point, but then we could also be looking to buy because price is making like an inverted head and shoulders pattern. I drew it up yesterday, so you guys, yeah. But yeah, so left shoulder head right here is making a right shoulder now. Most likely going to break below this and then continue. But we just gotta be patient and see what the market wants to do. As of right now, still waiting for the 4 to shift structure and close below here, and then we'll be looking to sell. But as of right now, I'm not looking to do anything on this chart. I'm just not. Look at these head and shoulders on a 15-minute. If it breaks below here, retest the next line, it continues. But I just don't like that price is above the structure point. If price was below it, I'll be looking to take a sell. But since it's above, I don't really like it. So we're just gonna keep watching that. USD JPY, don't really care too much. EDSD, don't care. Don't care about this. All right, cool. So the main trades, there's 2 trades that we could take today. One is on NZD USD. Yeah, I actually like this one a lot. One is on NZD USD. We can wait for the pullback to this order block. Give me an evening star pattern. I'll take the trade to the downside. Or we can wait for USD CAD, which already made an order block, pull back to the order block. Give me the doji spinning top that I need. Now I just need this kind of stake to close somewhere. Actually, let me just, if this candlestick close somewhere like this, then I can expect like a quick retracement and then continue. So instead of taking the trade somewhere like this, right? Because what does it say? My trading plan, 15 pips or more. Cool. 150. That's actually not bad. I actually like that. Oh, there's a lot of liquidity right here. Oh man, you see all the liquidity right here? All right, there's 18 pips. That's fine. So instead of me taking a trade like this, I would take the trade like this. Wow, what's the risk reward on this one? A 1 to 5. Okay. Now, does this trade make sense for me to take? That's the question. So I'll update you guys in a little bit once this candlestick closes, and based off that, we'll see if I take this trade or not. So yeah. Okay, so as you can tell, USD CAD did not have the push that I was expecting all the way up here. This candlestick closed like this. So now I'm gonna see still the same thing. Now I'm just gonna put an alert because I'm about to do my Bible study. So yeah, I'm gonna put an alarm up here. If price reaches this level, let's go on a 10-minute. If it breaks above here, then it should structure. Well, it's gonna push the upside now. So yeah, whoa, hey, what is going on? Anyways, so I'll put this alarm right here. If price reaches up to this level, then I'll consider taking this trade. I'll wait for a pullback and take the trade. NCDSD still waiting for the pullback here to retest and give me interest in those. So other than that, USD and GPSD, but GPSD just had a big push to the upside. Don't know how I feel about that, but it's all good. Yeah, so waiting for a pullback, sell, and then push, and then most likely a pullback and then buy. So I will update you guys in a little bit. All right, yo, so you turn back. It's 7:48 a.m. now. So USD CAD, it's having to push. Obviously, previously I recorded right here. Price had a push, then push up here, then had a massive drawdown. Now it's pushing to the upside. Looks like it's about to cross this level right here, the alarm, which is good. So now I have 2 setups that I could potentially take. Hold on, let me just go here. So actually, let me check this. So there's 2 trades that we can take. One would be on USD CAD, which gave us a nice morning star pattern. 5-minute pullback to this order block on 5-minute, tapped it. 15-minute pullback to this order block, give a nice tap. It's about to cross this alarm. Yeah, let me just move this up here. So that's the first trade that we could be taking. But there's another trade on the NZDUSD, which I actually really like. And I low-key like this one a lot better than the USD CAD one. Now, the only thing that USD CAD one has on this one is the better RR. So USD CAD, if it does close somewhere like this, what I could do is I could buy from here again. Let's see which one has a better position. Because I like the price action on NZD/USD a lot more. Okay, that's fine. The thing is, that's if USD CAD has the pullback, which it most likely will, because the hourly candlestick is opens and will probably do a wick down. So okay, I actually like this one. 126. That's decent. That's decent. I don't mind it. Now the NZD/USD one, I would take it when it break below this structure point. I'll have a retracement, and normally I do 15 pips, but I want to put it above this structure point just to be safe. Oh, you know what? I could take both. So yeah, obviously the USD CAD one has a better RR. The only thing with the USD CAD one is there is news coming. There's CAD news coming at 8:30, and I just don't know if this trade is worth it. That's literally it. Other than that, I would take this trade, but there's news coming out. Based on how this candlestick closes, I'm gonna do a buy limit. I want price to have a retracement, come down here, because the hourly candlestick, yeah. So the hourly is gonna open, have a weight down. I need it to come. I'll do a buy limit, tap me into the trade, and then from there we'll buy. So I think I'll take the one on USD CAD. The one on NZD/USD is there, but I feel like the daily is most likely gonna push up and close out like a doji or a spinning top, and then we can expect the next day to have the fall to the downside. So just gotta be careful with that one. But I like this one though, I really do. The USD CAD one looks good as well. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, I also like the risk to reward on the USD CAD one. It has a nice risk to reward on it. Just gotta wait. That's really it. Just gonna wait. Oh yeah. What should I do? All right, I'll update you guys in a little bit if I do take a trade or not. All right, YouTube, so I'm back. So I've decided what I'm gonna do. So what I'm going to do is I might take both trades, but I'm gonna be careful with the risk. So on NZD/USD, I'm gonna risk 2%. I'm gonna risk $2,000 on it because I'm confident in this trade. I like the price action. I like the setup. I like the way that it's flowing. I just like NZD/USD way better than I like USD CAD. So once NZD/USD closes, 38 seconds, I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna do a sell limit, so I'm gonna wait for a retracement and then a sell off. In a USD CAD, I'm going to take this trade as well, but I'm not gonna risk a lot. I'm gonna risk probably like 500 or 600, something like that. Something, not a lot, because I still think it is going to have to push the upside, but because news is coming out, I don't want to take it because of news. Like this trade, follow my trading plan, and like has everything, all the confluences that I need for me to take it. So technically, this is a good trade to take, but because of news coming out, I don't know if I'm willing to risk a lot on this trade. So I'm still gonna take it. Yeah. All right. Cool. So let's do position size calculator. NZD/USD. Bro, please stop it. NZD/USD. Account is at 96,000. Oh, this is still my funded account, by the way. So 96. Cool. Listen, 2%. Stop loss pips. How many is it? 20 pips stop loss. 10 lots. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do now is go here. All right, I'm gonna take the trades, and then I'll update you guys at the end of the day what happened if the markets move in my direction or not. Yeah, I'll update you guys later. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo. So it is still Monday, November 17th, 2025. It is 5:19 p.m. So I'm gonna do the trade recap right now. Before we start, let me show you the chart. So I did end up taking those two trades that I talked about, and we were in profit in both of them. We were up a lot actually on both of them. Yeah, so I'm gonna screen record my phone. Okay, so as you can tell on my screen, we're on trading view right now. This is the trade NZD USD. Go to the 4 hour, okay, cool. This is what the trade is looking at. We're in profit on it. And then USD CAD, same thing as well. So now going to trading, MetaTrader, as you can tell, we're up 2,500. Now, I know you're probably like, okay, the math doesn't make sense. Why isn't that up? Bro, look at the swap fee on USD CAD, $18.19 is the swap fee. The one on NZD USD is better. It's $6.36. But USD CAD, $18.19. That's not good. All right, anyways, end the recording right here. Cool. So now we're gonna get on charts. Yeah, let me just break down why I took these trades. Let's firstly go here because I want to see. So okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So, NZD USD flowing. See, trade is pushing. All right, cool. So, coming to the market, I was looking to sell this week. Found this really nice area of support and resistance. Sorry, I just got home and I want to record this because I have to go. I'm going to the gym, so I want to record this now before, because I don't know what price is gonna do in a little bit, so I gotta keep it. Anyways, so I was looking to sell. Price about to the structure point. Waiting for the entry signal. Price get a nice rejection on the 4 hour. Which is why I took this trade actually. Yeah, on the 4 hour, price had this one trend line going up right here, which actually, let me draw it out so I can remember this later on. Yeah, like that, I think you're supposed to put it at the tip of the wicks or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna put this only on the 4 hour. All right, yeah, let's put those on hourly. Let's see on the hourly. All right, clean, cool. So I was looking to sell, price about to the structure point, gave me the nice market structure to the downside, 1 hour shift the structure. So I was like, okay, cool, everything I needed. Price gave me a beautiful order block right here, pull back to the order block, give me a beautiful evening star pattern to the push to the downside, close below here. Once I got that, I was like, okay, cool, this trade is good to go. Now, price did have a push. When this trade happened, I did a sell limit. So I did a sell limit from here. Stop loss is all the way up here above this structure point. I know the stop loss is a lot bigger than normally I would go for, but I would rather put my stop loss at a safe level rather than me put it tight right here and then price stop me out. So this is a good area. So I did a sell limit right here and then just left the trade to do his thing. Obviously price was in profit for a little bit. I was at work, I wasn't on my phone, so I couldn't have paid attention to this. The price did eventually come back to me to the sell limit, and then after I did that, it just melted completely. And then we were in profit. We were up, when I got off work, probably like 4:30-ish. We were up like 20, yeah. We were up like 2,500 just on the NZD alone. So I was like, okay, cool. It is what it is. Follow my trade plan, did everything I was supposed to do. Let the trade do its thing. And now I like how the daily closed, beautiful bearish engulfing candlestick. And tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, I could see price to continue to fill to the downside. And yeah, that's really it on NZDSD. So the trade's in profit, just letting it do its thing. And then USD CAD, I did end up taking this trade as well, just because this trade was clean. It was a nice setup. The only reason I didn't risk a lot on this trade, because I risked 2,000 on NZD USD, but USD CAD only risked 1,000, so I risked 3,000 in total, 3% in total. But the reason why I didn't also risk 2,000 on this one, because one, I was already in 2,000 on NZD USD, and me risking 2,000 on this one is over leveraging, over risking more than I'm supposed to. That's me breaking my trading plan, and I don't feel like breaking my trading plan. And then two, there was news coming out, a lot of news coming out on USD CAD, on Canadian dollars. So I was like, okay, I don't know which direction this is gonna go based on my analysis, based on the market structure. Price wants to push the upside, but I don't know if news is gonna push the downside or push the upside. So I followed my trading plan. I still took the trade just because the setup was there. Let me break it down for you. It's actually a beautiful setup. So price had a big push, made an order back, up to the order block. There was also an order block on the 5 minute, which is this yellow box right here. Price tapped into it, gave me a nice morning star on the 5 minute, but I didn't take it on the 5 minute. I waited for the 15 minute. I waited for after a bunch of shenanigans, price finally had a push to the upside with this candlestick right here. So initially I would take it right there, but I followed my trading plan. I did what I was supposed to do. I did same thing I did on NCUSD. I did a sell limit, so price will come back, tap me, come back into the structure point, tap me to the trade. Same thing on USD CAD, but I did a buy limit. So I did a buy limit down here. Price would come back, tap me to the trade, and then continue to the upside. And that's what price did. So I only risked 1,000 on this. We are currently up. Let's see. I'm currently up a 1 to 2, basically a 1 to 1. So really good trade. Not mad about it. Actually, let me check this real quick. Yeah, the swap fees are gonna hit like a truck. But that's fine. So I followed my trade plan. This is a good trade. I'm gonna be holding this trade all the way up to this structure point right here. I like structure point of 4 hour actually right here. I like the price action. I like the daily. I like that it closed as a strong bullish engulfing candlestick. So now, most likely this candlestick, which already opened, had the little drawdown and then continuation to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting. So I'm gonna keep holding this trade and I will keep updating you guys on this trade. Same thing with my NCDUSD. Gonna keep updating you guys on this trade. Let me move this below this point so I know if it comes here it's flowing, and then USD CAD. Honestly, I might just move it here. Once it reaches past this wick right here, then that should be good. But yeah, GPUSD, I was looking to sell, didn't get the break below, because if you're going to 4 hour, where's it at? It's on the daily. But for me to sell, I'm looking for a break below, retest, and a drop. Price didn't break below yet, but I think it is going to have the break below tonight. So maybe tomorrow we can enter this position. But the thing is, I'm already in 2 trades, so me entering this position, is it worth it? We'll see. Based on the price action, I'm about to take this trade. If not, I'm content with the 2 trades that I'm in. Just gotta be patient with that and follow my trading plan. And then your USD, I'm waiting for the break below this structure point, retest, and to sell on the daily. Obviously, price didn't break below today. Still in the zone, so tomorrow's gonna stay. I would need it to break below for me to take a sell. GPSD, I like the evening star pattern, but I would need a break below this 4 hour structure, this 1 hour structure for me to take this straight to the downside. But as of right now, I'm content and just holding on and managing the positions I'm already in. I'm in 2 positions right now, so just managing those correctly. If I get more setups on NZDUSD or USD CAD to enter more positions, I will do that instead of taking the trade. So let's say I get like another setup on NZDUSD tomorrow, but I get a setup on GBUSD. Instead of taking the trade on GBUSD, I'm just gonna take that setup on NZDUSD because I'm already in this trade. And if I get another setup, I'm most likely already in profit. So me scaling in is basically using the profit that I'm in to scale into the trade. So I'm not really risking much by going into the trade. So if I get a setup on NZDUSD or USD CAD, I'm going to scale into those. If I get one of GPUSD, I'll be careful in taking it. Probably will, but I only risk 1% on it, not too much. But yeah, I'll update you guys. I don't want to say later tonight. I will update you. Okay, I'll update you guys later tonight before I go to bed. And then I'll update you guys tomorrow morning before I go to work. So yeah. All right, yo, what is going on YouTube? So I'm back again with another video. I mean, not another video, it's the same video, just a second part of it. It's currently 10:59 p.m. Still Monday, November 17th. And let's break this down, see what's happening. Yeah, so the trade is still pushing, still watching. I like the clear break below the trend line. I like the shift to structure. I like the price action overall. So currently on NZD/USD, we are up. Let me show you. We are up 2,200. I don't know if you can see it. 2,200. And then USD CAD, we are up 1,600. So I don't know if this is gonna focus or not. But yeah, that's how we're up right now. So just gonna hold the trades, let the trades do the thing. There is not news. There is no news tonight. Cheers for coming back to you. Okay, whatever. So there's not news tonight. There's not any red footer news on USD or CAD or NZD tomorrow. So not a lot of news tomorrow. We just gotta be patient and wait for that. Not a lot of news on Wednesday. So yeah, this trade, I'm gonna be holding these trades for the rest of the week. Like I'm not, honestly, if I get a setup tomorrow on GPSD, I'm probably not gonna take it because I've already taken 2 trades, and I'm just gonna hold these trades. These trades have great potential. I like the price action. I like the flow of them. I'm just gonna hold these trades out and let them do their thing. Same thing with USD CAD. I really like the USD CAD one. I like the price action. I like this one's just clean. So yeah. But I was thinking about this. What if I had like, instead of risk 1%, what if I had risk 2% on this one? Instead, like what? But I'm glad I didn't because I followed my trading plan and I was disciplined and I did what I was supposed to do. So I'm okay with that. I'm content with that. So yeah, it's a really nice trade. Alarm is right there. NZDSD, my alarm is right there below this structure point. If price comes below here and actually closes below here within the next 2 hours, then it's good. Gonna keep pushing to the downside. So I'm gonna move my alarm down here. So yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow morning. I'll give you a quick update before I go to work. Tomorrow's really gonna be a really busy day. So I'll update you guys the best that I can. All right, good morning. It's currently Tuesday, November 18th, 2025, 6:50 a.m. I'm recording this a lot later than I usually would, but I went to bed last night late. As you can tell, price had a massive pullback overnight, so we are back at the entry on NZDUSD. We are currently up. Let me show you. I'm not gonna screen record. I'm just gonna show you. So I am up 410 on NZDUSD. Let's see if you can see it. Focus. All right, I'm up 400. Okay, now it's at 440, and then the USD CAD one we're up 220. So, yeah, there wasn't much news though, so I don't know why I had a deep retracement like that. But yeah, USD CAD had a massive pullback overnight. Now it's coming back to our entry. I'm really debating, should I close this trade or should I just let it continue to fall? It is pulling back to an order block on the 1 hour. It is at a 15-minute order block right now. So I'm not looking to add another position to this. Well, we'll see. We'll see what it does. Probably won't add another position, but yeah. So not really a fan of this pullback, but at the same time, I can't control it. I don't know why the market's having this pullback. So all I'm gonna do is keep holding this trade. Yeah, just let the trade do its thing. Kind of sucks. We were up like, before I went to bed, like total on both accounts, we were up like 4,800, 4,800. So I was like, okay, cool. I'll just let the trade do its thing. And then I wake up this morning, I'm like, oh, we're down, like we're right down to like 500, 600. Like what happened overnight? But then again, can't really control the markets. You gotta let the market do its thing. So yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is. NZDSD, again, I'm gonna keep holding this trade. I believe price is gonna have to push the downside. So I will keep holding it and let the trade do its thing. That's it. Same thing with USD CAD. I'm just gonna keep holding it. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out, but I think price is most likely gonna have a push the upside again. There's not much news coming out. There's only yellow footer news today, so we'll see what that does. But yeah, GPUSD, I would be looking to sell. Price is finally having that break below that I need, but is it worth me entering a position? Probably not. So, and honestly, it hasn't even made an order block yet, and it's about to be like 7 o'clock, so I don't know how I feel about this. So, honestly, I'll probably just wait for the daily to close below here, and then tomorrow we can have the pullback and then the sell to the downside. So, I'm fine with that. USD, same thing. We are pushing to the downside. We might break below the structure point. So I'm just same thing. I'm waiting for the daily to break below the structure point, and then we're gonna be looking to buy. Looking to sell. Sorry, break below, sell. Oh, look at this, beautiful. This is nice. Hey, realistically, if I was looking to sell right now, we would take this trade right here. Well, I'll wait for the next candlestick to drop, and then we take the trade. But yeah, why is this yellow? Oh, because the 5 minute on the. There you go. Cool. So if I was looking to sell on USD, it would be something like this. I'll wait for price to shift structure, right? I need the next bearish engulfing candlestick to close below here. Once it closes there, I'll just do like a sell limit, wait for a pullback. It's actually a nice setup. I actually don't mind it. Let me see the risk reward on this. The only thing I don't like is that we are still at the structure level, so I'm going to be careful with this trade if I do take it. Probably won't take it. I'm just going to wait for the daily candlestick to close. Now, holding it all the way down here, that's a stretch, but yeah, something like this. 1, 2, 2. That's quick, that's simple, that's effective, and it sweeps the liquidity right here. So yeah, but no trade as of right now. And the 1 hour is closing like that. I actually like that. I actually like this trade. This is a good trade. USD CAD. I don't know why you're having this deep retracement like this. All right, let's mark this up here. So, actually, let's go. Yeah, there's an order back right there. So, yeah, just gonna let the chart do its thing. Let me put this into a different color. So we'll see what price does from there. And then NZDSD, I'm still gonna hold. But you're gonna hold that. So I'll update you guys at the end of the day. I'm going to work. Very busy day. So I'll update you guys at the end of the day. Yeah. Alright, yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mona back again with a video. Oh, it's part of the same video. This is the last part of this video, at least. It's Tuesday, November 18th, 2025, 6:24 p.m. A really busy day, really long day. I'm tired. I'm hungry. But I'm gonna give you guys this update. So I did end up losing one trade today. Yeah, I lost the trade today. I'm gonna be honest with you. I lost the USD CAD trade. Now we are still in this trade on NZDSD, and realistically, I'm be honest. A part of me wants to close, but at the same time, I might just hold it. Yeah, I'm gonna just hold this trade. But we did end up losing the trade on USD CAD. Currently, I'm up $910 on NZD/USD. $910 on the NZD/USD. But USD CAD, we absolutely lost. Like, this is not even funny. Like, and I don't even know what happened. Was there news today? Cause I was at work all day, so I wasn't even on the charts so I didn't. Man, I guess this CAD news 8:15, but if it's negative, then it's supposed to push the dollar up, and if this is green, this is supposed to push the dollar up. So what happened? I don't know. But yeah, price was in profit yesterday. Last night I had a big retracement. This morning coming to the market, I could have closed the trade, but I assumed that price was having just a retracement to make the wick on the daily and then the continuation to the upside. Spoiler alert, I was wrong. And yeah, we lost this trade. So now price broke below this structure point. So I guess the weekly wants to sell down here. But the thing is, if I'm looking to sell down here, then I'm looking to buy on NZD/USD, which a part of me wants to do because I had the daily close. Like the daily close as this doji, the spinning top, whatever you want to call it. And I could see price have a big push to the upside tomorrow, close above, retest this structure point and continue to the upside. I could definitely see that. And as well as GPUSD, like price just does not want to break below this structure point. Price just does not want to push below, making me think that most likely price wants to push above. But I still think price could have the sell to the downside. On your USD though, it's kind of tricky because price did finally close below this structure point, which what I've been waiting for. So now this candlestick opens up, have a wick up, and then a continuation to the downside. So I could be looking to sell on your USD, but at the same time, price could just have done this just to have a big bullish candlestick tomorrow and push the upside. So it's a little tricky. I like the price action on the 4 hour though. Finally shifted structure, so now it's bearish. So I would be looking to sell on your USD. And if I'm looking to sell on your USD, then I'm definitely still looking to sell on NZDUSD. So I'm still in this trade. I'm not going to close out this trade early. I'm going to keep holding this trade. If we lose this trade, we lose this trade. If we win this trade, we win this trade. I can't control the markets. The only thing I can control is the position that I take, the amount of risk on it, and if it lines up with my trading plan. That's all I can control. So for right now, I'm still going to hold this trade. And I'll give you guys an update tomorrow morning. So I'm going to make a separate video. This is the end of this video. But the next video is just going to keep updating you guys on this trade. And if I end up taking another trade, then I'll update you guys on that one as well. And then, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something from it. And yeah, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and keep going forward. Don't let these little setbacks, these little losses affect you, right? It's a part of the game. It's a part of trading. Take it as a learning lesson and keep getting better. So God bless you.